Third item, consider authorizing the purchasing director to approve the placement of a purchase order with Suncor Energy for the purchase of liquid bituminous asphalt HPMS ZP HPMS-2P dilute for the Mesa County Department of Transportation in the amount not to exceed $340,000. Matt Nichols presenting.
Morning again, Matt Nichols, Mesa County Road and Bridge Supervisor. Yes, this is a contract between Mesa County and Suncor. This is a piggybacking contract onto the state of Colorado's contract. So this is just approving us to purchase material to do our chip and seal program, our in-house chip and seal program throughout Mesa County. This year's totals or the cost for each of these materials, the HFMS 2P is actually cheaper than last year. We did see a little bit of savings, and if you break down the average, we're going to see a savings of 3 cents per square yard when we do this application. The 50/50 dilute, a little bit more, but that SS1 tack that we'll be placing below our asphalt patches, that came out a little bit cheaper this year too. So all in all, a really great opportunity for us to get some material, use our in-house crews to do what they do best and seal up some roads.
Commissioners, any questions or comments on this item?
No questions.
I have none.
All right. Does anybody in the audience have any questions or comments on this item? Okay, seeing none, I will entertain a motion to approve the item as published.
So moved.
Second.
All in favor?
Aye.
Aye. Motion carries 3-0.